Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ENERMAX K8, a sleek mid-tower ATX PC case. So friend, ENERMAX has introduced its latest mid-tower ATX PC case series, ENERMAX K8, boasting sleek and sophisticated design, featuring a sophisticated front panel design and robust construction. And friend, it exudes a contemporary aesthetic with tempered glass front and side panel, offering a sleek showcase for the internal components of your build. Equipped with three pre-installed RGB PWM fans and a built-in 6-port control hub, you can seamlessly synchronize their RGB components with system lighting effects using either motherboard RGB software or 21 built-in lighting presets. And friend, the ENERMAX K8 incorporates clear design elements for convenient system assembly, and it features a built-in fan brigade within the front panel, allowing you to effortlessly install three 120 mm fans on the side of the bracket and a 360 mm radiator for an AIO cooler on the opposite side. The included thumb screws can further simplify the installation process, and front panel connectivity options are one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port and one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-E port. And friend, is available in both black and white versions. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.